I definitely think Art Hotel is in a good space, mainly because London is basically well known for the street art scene. It's somehow where everything started. The first time I came to London, first place I went was East to just discover all the amazing street art you have around. For the Art Hotel, I will do different workshops about the Stencil technique. I think it became very famous because of Banksy, and people will be able to learn a bit about this technique and also to paint something. I will just give them the tools, some references of the street art world to just get some inspiration, and then with the music, some nice drinks from the bar, and with an amazing atmosphere we'll have in the hotel, they can create something and have some fun time together and to be a bit social with the rest.